In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix GoDaddy not working step by step. If your GoDaddy dashboard won't load, your editor is stuck, or you're seeing random error messages, don't worry. In most cases, this is a quick fix. I'll walk you through the simplest troubleshooting methods that solve the issue fast. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any step. And if this helps you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's start with the easiest solution. Step 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes GoDaddy stops responding because of a temporary loading glitch. Simply press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This forces your browser to reload the page. You can also click the refresh icon in your browser. After refreshing, check if the GoDaddy dashboard or website editor loads properly. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If that doesn't work, move to Step 2. Use Incognito Mode. Browser extensions or corrupted cache files often interfere with GoDaddy. Open a private browsing window. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl+Shift+N. In Safari on Mac, press Command+Shift+N. Once the incognito window opens, go to GoDaddy and log in again. If everything works normally here, that means a browser extension or cache data was causing the issue. That's good news because it narrows down the problem. Next, Step 3. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger GoDaddy error messages or prevent pages from loading fully. Try opening another website like Google or YouTube to confirm your internet is working. If pages load slowly or not at all, switch to mobile data or connect to a different Wi-Fi network. After switching networks, try accessing GoDaddy again. You'd be surprised how often connection issues are the real cause. Step 4. Try a different browser. Sometimes GoDaddy's editor may fail on one browser due to compatibility issues or outdated versions. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Microsoft Edge. If you're on Edge, try Chrome. Install another browser if needed. Log into your GoDaddy account and see if it works there. If it does, then the issue is browser-specific, and updating or resetting your main browser may solve it permanently. Now Step 5. Clear your browser cache. Cached images and files can be corrupted and stop websites from functioning properly. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then click Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files, then clear the data. After that, close your browser completely, reopen it, and load GoDaddy again. This refreshes stored data and often fixes dashboard or editor loading problems. Finally, Step 6. Wait and try again later. Sometimes GoDaddy servers may be temporarily overloaded or undergoing maintenance. When this happens, there's nothing wrong on your end. Give it a few minutes, then try accessing your account again. You can also check GoDaddy's official status page to confirm if there's a system outage. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, use Incognito Mode, check your internet connection, try a different browser, clear your cache, and if needed, wait a few minutes and retry. One of these steps almost always fixes GoDaddy not working issues. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.